Poor girl. So I didn't even hear her wake up until I just like by chance looked at the monitor and she was already like flipped over and awake, and she must have spit up on the bed and then she was just like putting her face in it. It's okay. See, she doesn't even care. She's happy. Are you a happy girl this morning? She slept for a long time. She went to bed at 9 o'clock. I think it was 9 o'clock, maybe a little after 9. And she just woke up and it's a little after 10. So she slept over 10 hours and only like woke up 1 or twice last night. I love you. I love you. My sister is in the living room listening to my video and I can't hear myself. When other people watch my vlogs like around me, it's the weirdest thing, like even though it's my sister, because I don't know, I just like I can't stand my voice. I tweeted this the other day. I'm like, when you're a YouTuber, you come to hate your voice because not only you're talking, so obviously you hear your voice, and you go to edit your vlog or video and then you keep hearing your voice over and over and over again, and it just becomes annoying, and then you upload it and then, you know, I rewatch it just to make sure it's okay. And then I'm just like, I've come to hate my voice. So when I hear other people and I hear myself talking, I'm like, this is the most annoying voice ever in the world. Do you want to go swimming? Hi. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Do you want to come over here, Leo? Do you want to come over here? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Uh-oh. Come here.
Alright, so we just got the kids some food. We're eating some chicken nuggets back there. What you guys doing?
Chicken nuggets.
Is it good, Nolan? Is it good? Is it good, monkey? Alright, next stop we're gonna go get Nolan's prescription at Target. Okay? So that's our next stop. We're gonna go get Nolan's prescription at Target, and then after that, we'll go check the P.O. box, and then probably end up going to the park after that. So.
Wait, for my haircut. What was it called?
Oh, that's gonna be at the very end. We'll do that at last. Alright, so Aria said she had something that she wanted to say to the camera.
Okay, so me and Nolan are going to the park, but first we have to get Nolan's prescription. And then where are we going, buddy? And then we're going to the what is it?
Next on the list.
I don't know.
The P.O. box.
The P.O. box, and then where are we going?
To the park.
To the park, yeah. What's a nugget?
Ari, what do you want to be when you're older?
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Up Nolan's prescription. Now we're off to the P.O. box. Ready for the next stop?
And we got some stuff for the
Yep, and we got some goodies for her. And we got some goodies for the 4th of July. So some glow sticks and some little American flags. So but off to our next stop. So we just got to the post office. So let's go see what's in the P.O. box. You guys ready?
Yeah.
You guys gonna help Daddy carry stuff if there's a lot?
Alright, you guys, so we just got back from the pool. We're gonna make some margaritas, and what are we making, Melissa? Some guac? Guacamole? Guacamole.
We just picked up the stuff at the post office, and there was quite a bit of stuff in there, a couple packages and some letters, but now we are headed to the park, right? Headed to the park? Going to the park. So we didn't stay at the park too long, probably 15-20 minutes, but it is absolutely hot outside today. Not even just standing in the shade, not doing anything. I was pouring down sweat, and Nolan's all sweaty. They both have been drinking water, but still, that doesn't seem to help very much, huh? Is it hot? Is it hot outside, Nolan? Huh? Is it hot, buddy? Alright, drink some water.
Alright, you guys, so we're here. Why are you looking at me? We're here at Red, White, and Boom. Yeah, just staring at me, make me nervous. We're here to see fireworks, and I'm pretty sure we missed the parade. Just kidding. We missed it. We're here to see fireworks. We're here for the parade. Yeah, Harlow right here. Look at her little face. She's so cute. This little face. Are you ready to see some fireworks? No. I'm scared of them. She's scared of fireworks. We're just gonna give him a high five. We got some food, and now we are waiting for the fireworks. I think we have to wait another hour. What time is it start? What's it, 9:30? 10? Oh my, it's only 8:17. I didn't know that. It starts at 10. Oh my god. I know you're filming me. She's not even filming you, Alyssa. She's filming me. Laura, do you love her? Yeah? Well, I feel like I'm in paranormal activity with this camera. Huh. Alright, so Brittany just got in the shower. It's almost midnight. And I don't think we're gonna go to bed just yet. But she asked me to end her vlog for her. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow, but probably just some Maria's probably gonna bleep that out anyways. I will see you guys over at my channel. You guys should go subscribe. My thing is my name, Alyssa Sills. It'll be in the down bar. But anyways, yeah, you guys should subscribe because I do vlogs too. I'm a sellout. I'm using my sister for her subscribers. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I think she's watching YouTube videos while she showers. Like just listening to it. Oh my god. I can never do that. Anyways, I'll see you guys in her vlog tomorrow. And she leaves Wednesday. So